Hello there, my friends. So I'm going to talk about a few books right now. This one, Wizards and Spells, is one of my favorites. This is a great young adventurer's guide. This is written by Jim Zubin. Yep. And this came out like, what, 2022 or something like that? 2020? Perfect time for like D&D. So there's a couple things I use this book for teaching kids with. One, it's really good at talking about the magic using character classes. Speaking of magic, I should put on my magic ring. Oh yeah, isn't that nice? And this one too. Spooky. I got these at Techo. So from the Merchant of Many Things, who's retiring this year. So anyway, yeah. So you got Bard, Cleric, Druid, Sorcerer, Warlock, and Wizard. I don't teach Warlock to kids because I don't want to talk to their parents about otherworldly patrons. That's just me. But bards sing to get magic, right? So they ask you questions, which is nice. So like, for instance, the bard. Do you believe there is magic in music? I do, in real life. Do you often find yourself the center of attention? Do you like to perform? Then you may be a bard. So that's kind of cool. And it gives you an example of like a classic bard. And this, I have to like take a moment for Florizan Blank because I really love this description and I build characters very much like this. So Florizan hates bullies and tyrants, so do I. Loves beauty and art, so do I. He's warm and charming, I like to think so. Quick to adapt to new situations, definitely for me. He enjoys talking to people, oh yeah, that's why I do YouTube. Thanks for subscribing. We're over 16,000 now to get a sense of their stories. Oh, and the teaching channel is up to 146, I think, so please subscribe to that. Having seen life from both the palace and the gutter. Now, I have not been to the palace, but I've definitely been to the gutter. Florizan knows that truth and kindness are free to every person, no matter their possessions or wealth. I think that's great. So it goes through each of the six classes. But here's the best part, I think, of this book is this flow chart. So what you can do is you can teach a class. Say you're teaching students that have never played, or beginner players never played before in a summer camp or like for an after school thing. So you ask this question, right? Is your magical power innate within you, or does it come from training? If it's innate, you follow the flow chart. If it's from training, you go here. So let's say, for instance, do you search for arcane secrets, or are you interested in nature? If you're into nature, you're probably a druid. If you're into secrets, then there's another question. Is your magic personal, or do you use it for the benefit of a group? If it's personal, you may be, I'm sorry about that, I need a new clamp, a sorcerer, and if it's not, you might be a bard. Because bards perform for groups of people, right? So anyway, you get the idea. So this is a pretty cool tool, and I highly recommend it. It's very inexpensive on YouTube, or I'm sorry, on Amazon. I can put the link in there for you. I am an Amazon influencer, so I'll get like a couple cents if you buy the book through the link. Or if you link through and buy anything like dice or anything like that, Amazon won't charge you anymore, but they'll give me credit for like sending you to their thing to get stuff. So that's a way to help the channel. If you also want to help the channel with Patreon, you can do that. And because I have that now, which is interesting. And yeah, or you can leave me a super thanks, which basically buys me a cup of coffee. If you want more content like this, tell me what you want to see next, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.